In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3160 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After that, you can download this resetter, the link on pinned comments. After you download this resetter file, you can just right click on the files and you can extract the file. Okay, I'm using WinRAR in this case. And just click yes to all. It's already extracted here. Then open the resetter folder. And after that, you can open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. Usually, after you double click in here, the first time you cannot open, but there is a hardware ID that you need to copy. Okay, after you copy your hardware ID, you can go to Notepad first and paste your hardware ID. Okay, your hardware ID you can paste on the keygen here. After you click here, you can click license manager and add license, for example, and paste hardware ID here. Okay, for example, like this. And add anything you want here for company, and you can click save. Then you can click create license key like this. After that, the folder will be created. Okay, you can just double click in here and copy all of this file and paste. And after you paste the file, you need to rerun again your adjustment programs. Okay, when you rerun again your adjustment programs, now this will work for you. And in this case, the model name is just for L3110, but it's also work for Epson L3160 because it's same variant. Okay, just click OK after that and click particular adjustment mode button and choose was ink pad counter after that and click OK. Then you can click main pad counter option and the flatten pad counter option. Click check button. After that, you can click initialize button. If you encounter an error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. Then you can try to reset again. After the resetter works, you can just click finish and immediately turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L3160. It's belong to L3110 printer. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.